Time Tracker is an Android application designed to help users monitor and manage how they spend their time on various tasks and activities. This app is particularly useful for individuals looking to boost productivity, analyze time usage, or keep track of billable hours for work-related projects. Key features typically include the ability to create and categorize tasks, enabling users to log their activities easily. The app often provides customizable time tracking options, allowing users to start and stop timers for specific tasks or enter the time spent manually. Additionally, it may offer features like reports and analytics, helping users visualize their time distribution and identify patterns in their productivity. Furthermore, some versions of Time Tracker may include reminders, notifications, or integration with calendars, enhancing usability and ensuring that users stay on track with their schedules. The app generally focuses on providing a user-friendly interface for quick access and easy navigation.